Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super important concept in GitLab CI/CD, job dependencies. Understanding how jobs depend on each other within different stages is a key to building a smooth and efficient pipeline. Today we will start with stages, then set up some jobs within these stages. We'll define job dependencies with the needs keyword, and finally we're gonna use needs to create dependencies across different stages. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DevOps and GitLab tutorials. Got any question? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Let's break it down and see how you can use dependencies and stages to create a powerful CI/CD workflow. Alright, so what are job dependencies in GitLab? Simply put, dependencies determine in order in which jobs run within your pipeline. Sometimes you'll have a job that needs to finish before other can start. For example, you can deploy your code if it hasn't been built or tested first, right? So, where dependencies come in? Let's start with stages. Stages are like a big steps in your pipeline. Common stages include build, test, and deploy. Each stage runs sequentially, meaning all jobs in one stage must complete before the next stage starts. Now let's take a look a little bit in pipeline. The test job won't start until the build job in the build stage is finished. But what will add one more job in stage build, for example push job, and run it? Let's copy this job and paste here. Push job, build stage, and let's increase second sleep, and let's run it and see what happened. Let's see. As you can see, this job works in parallel, but as you know, at first we are build artifact and then push it to repository, and if build job is failed, you nothing to push in repository, right? In this case, you have to use needs. As I said before, by default, jobs in the same stage, for example build stage, run in parallel, but sometimes you want one job to wait, for example push wanna wait build job for another job, even within the same stage. That's where needs comes in. Let's say you have two jobs in the build stage, build job, push job. You want to package to wait until build job is done. Here's how you do it. Let's add needs to our pipeline. Go to pipeline editor. Here you have to define needs keyword, and next is you can define here a list of your jobs. Word job, job, build job. Let's commit our changes and see what happened. Here, push job needs build job to finish before it starts. They in the same stage. This way, you can ensure that your code is compiled before it gets packaged. You can also use needs to create dependencies across different stages. For instance, let's say you have a deploy job in deploy stage that needs both build job and test job from the test stage to complete first. Let's go to pipeline editor again and add needs to deploy stage, build job, and for example, job, again, keyword, test job. Let's commit our changes and see what happened. Wait a couple of seconds. Let's see. At first execution build job, then push job. After that we will see that test job is finished, and now deploy job wait when our test job is finished. Our pipeline is finished. This setup ensures that your deployment won't happen until your code has been compiled and all tests have passed. Dependencies are crucial because they allow you to control a flow of your pipeline, ensuring that critical jobs run in the correct order. They help you to avoid issues like deploying untested or uncompiled code, which could break your application. Now you know how to use stages and dependencies in GitLab CI/CD to create a smooth, reliable pipeline. By mastering this concept, you can make sure your jobs run in the right order and your CI/CD process is efficient as possible. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to channel and more DevOps and GitLab tutorials. Got any question? Drop them in the comment below. I'm here to help. Until next time, keep building those awesome pipeline.